Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I received a comment like, how is it working for the Realme Buds what I have purchased 6 months back. See here, Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, which are these buds. I have been using this for the past 6 months. So I'll tell you my use cases and you can consider this as the real user experience using this wireless head earbuds, means you can say neckband for 6 months. I'll tell you exact the honest opinion about this wireless buds. And see here, I have uploaded the unboxing video, and now you can consider this as real user opinion. Coming to the battery life, see here, it is mentioned the main highlights 13.4 mm dynamic bass driver. So when you compare the bass here, the bass is excellent. If the song or the music has that punching bass, you can really feel this. I really felt when listening music to this, the sound quality, the audio quality, especially the bass is really good. You can give like 5 out of 5. Maybe due to the 13.4 mm dynamic bass driver. Battery I'll talk about later. And dual connection means at the same time I can connect to mobile phone and the laptop. I tried that and the connection is very quick. It is 45 millisecond low latency, so it is connecting in a flash, that I can say no issues with that. 45 milliseconds ultra low latency and Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, dust and water resistant. To be honest, it never gone through this water or anything. And dust resistance, see here, for 6 months it's been like this. Now I am going to talk about the call quality and the battery life. First of all, the last time I charged this neckband is 3 months back. Literally, you heard it right, this is 3 months back. And even though when I use now, it is now the battery percentage is like 30%. Means during these 3 months I used it like 7 to 8 times, and out of 7 to 8 times I listened like 20 minutes of songs, and I used it for call. Means this mobile, currently the phone what I am recording is kept in the charge because of the low battery. At that time I used this for to take the calls, and almost like 20 to 30 minutes I used it for calls. The main thing you need to remember here is, even though I charged before 3 months, still the battery is remaining here. Means it didn't got discharged during the time. Only for the usage it is getting discharged, but while I keep it idle for months also, the battery is lasting. So the battery wise, it is 13 hours. It is given like 13 hours. See here, in the Flipkart details, 32 hours, pardon, 32 hours playback, right? Dual connection headset, and yeah, fast charging support. Yeah, fast charging is there with deep bass Bluetooth connectivity. And coming to the call quality is the only thing I am a little bit dissatisfied. So when I am connecting this to the Bluetooth and taking calls, the audio quality is not that what I expected. Maybe that may be due to the signal strength also in my area. That may be due to the network issues. But anyway, while taking the call, while walking and taking the call, I didn't feel I'm not that satisfied. And while taking the calls in the traffic, no, not up to the mark, because this doesn't have environmental noise cancellation. You need to remember that. Even though maybe there may be software noise cancellation, but I didn't feel that much effect when I take the calls, especially in the traffic. But other than that, everything is good. For music it is absolutely good, for battery is absolutely good, for low latency, the people who wants to play games, this would be one of the good choice. And under the budget of 1200, at the time of purchase I purchased this like 1050 or something else, yeah, maybe Yeah, it is decently good. The music is good. The calls also are good, but yeah, I expected a bit more, but okay. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments.